Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Shopify account email address. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to update your email address or your account email here in your Shopify page, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and head over to Shopify, go and log in into your account, and go and click on the shop name at the top right. Now, in here, you want to go and just choose the actual admin. So this is our admin account. Let's go and choose this one. And once you've done that, you want to go and look for the email section under the general section. Now from here, just click on update. Now this will require you to enter a bit of some information here. So you can go and just choose your Shopify account, your current Shopify account here. And from here, let's go and click on verify and just verify our email account. And once we are verified, let's go and click on not now. Let's go and close this one. So you want to go and just enter the verification code that will be sent to your email account first. Now from here, you just need to enter your new email address. So let's go and just enter our email address here and click on change email. And now once you've entered your email address and click on the confirm, it should now send a verification email. So you need to open up Gmail here, or whatever email that you've added in there, and just check your inbox and just click on the link or the button that will be available there, and that should update your current email address. Now, just in case you don't see it, you can go back to Shopify here, click on resend verification code or verification email so that you can update your email address here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.